Here in MTEX 2026, we are exhibiting our high-end products. Our marketing team is Town of Technology, where we have shown our technological leadership in the machine tool industry. We are standing in front of the GU series, which is latest 5-axis CNC machine made by Jyoti CNC Automation Limited. It is purely indigenous 5-axis simultaneous machine in which we can do the 600 diameter component. This machine comes with a 500 diameter table, and the stroke size is 600, 700 and 500 It comes with the HSK spindle A63, which comes with the 18,000 RPM and 30 kilowatt of power. In this, we have given the Siemens One controller, which is very well capable to handle all the critical machining requirements from automobile and defense industry. The table we have made by our own. It is servo driven and the accuracy is 0.001 degree. For any critical machining requirement, this machine fulfill your purpose. It is one of kind machine available in India. In this HMC, we have the stroke of 900 by 800 by 800 and the pallet size of 500 by 500. In this, we can make the maximum workpiece like 900 diametrically and 1000 length. This machine comes with a BT50 spindle and 10,000 RPM. In this machine, the chips and coolant management is very good, and the overall floor space this machine take is very minimal. Also, this machine have a 2 pallets, so on first pallet it will be working, and on the second pallet you can load the components which can reduce your cycle time. It's a 3-axis machine and it comes with the default electro spindle, which is used for high-end applications like die and mold, like defense, like very critical operations in automobile. We have a standard given the spindle oil chiller. This machine comes with the 10,000 RPM standard, and subsequently we can go up to like 40,000 RPM spindles. In this machine, if the footprint is very smaller for 800 by 500 by 500 size machine, the table sizes in this machine is 1000 by 510. In this, we can go up to 15 kilowatt of Fanuc. Also, we have here displayed with the Mitsubishi, and optionally we can offer Siemens. We come to our next machine, which is our hot sell product, I can say, about the industry. It is our DH200 model. So this machine we have displayed here with the Siemens, but it can come into the Fanuc and Mitsubishi also. We have shown the feature of eccentric turning. So diameter turning we can do off-center jobs also. This machine comes with a Power Up Series 11 by 9 kilowatt power, in which gives you 282 Newton meter of torque, by which you can help it out, and it gives you the better material removal, and the cycle time you will get the normalized. If you want to increase your productivity by 20%, you can easily opt this machine, which can at any league outperform with any Indian machine tool manufacturer. At the side we have displayed our turn mill. Turn mill comes into the picture when we talk about the higher relative accuracies. This machine is again torchbearer of the technology available in the Indian market. This machine comes with the electro spindle and the digital tail stock, which is an unique feature for the Indian machine tool industry. Also, the linear glass scale we standard provide in both axes. In this machine, we can optionally go up to 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches chuck. Accordingly, the spindle may get vary. The live turret, especially in this machine BMT45 we have used, it is made by Jyoti itself. So we truly believe in indigenous, like Atmanirbhar Bharat, that we are making machine for India and we are bringing the technological leadership to the India. In this machine, we can do 650 of length and 350 of diameter. In this, Y-axis have a stroke of plus minus of 40 And this machine is unique in this higher acceleration and high rapid available, so that the cycle time decreases and the cost of per component get decreases also. If you are looking for a complete solution under one roof, Jyoti CNC automation with the Huron technological leadership is available to serve your requirements.